What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel of finance, guys. You already know, guys, your boy. Let's to the EGO, guys. So basically, guys, on today's video, guys, what I want to show you, right? I want to show you how to trade NAS100 using the same strategy of which I'm using to trade currency pairs. But then because this is NAS100, guys, obviously you have to be vigilant, you have to be cautious of what you're doing, right? You obviously have to take all the information, guys, so it won't be as easy as you think it will be just because it works perfectly on currency pairs, right? So yeah, guys, before we get into the video, guys, please hit that subscribe button if you haven't subscribed, guys. And obviously, guys, just turn on the post notification bell so you can be notified whenever I drop a new video, guys. So without any further waste of time, guys, let's jump into it. So as you can see, guys, as you know, always start my analysis on the daily time frame, guys. The reason for this, especially with Nasdaq, guys, you obviously have to see your overall direction because it means a lot, right? For you to like identify your overall direction and just read the chart, guys. There's candlesticks too, of which you have to read from the daily time frame, obviously, so you can just see what the overall market structure is doing, right? What overall price is doing, right? So you just have to be able to read that. So obviously, seeing Nasdaq, guys, I can see that price is creating a series of higher highs and higher lows, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, and now we are at our higher high, and this is our higher low. So obviously now price is reaching our support level, of which is our previous higher low. So seeing this, guys, I can perfectly see that NAS100, guys, is trending up, right? So it's no doubt, guys, like literally you can see if you try to connect your trend lines, NAS100 is literally just, moving towards the upside. Hence, you can see we had a first touch, second touch, third touch, the market shot up, and then now we simply waiting for a fourth touch, guys, right? So seeing this, guys, obviously gives me that perspective that NAS100, guys, is actually moving bullish, and we might actually look for those buying opportunities, right, to move all the way to the upside. But then, guys, what I want you guys to notice too, I want you guys to look at the current candlestick, guys, like today's candlestick, right? It's actually gonna close right now. Today is Friday, by the way, so South African time and South African day. So yeah, guys, you can see like our current candlestick, guys. Price here has been since it reached this point, it came back to test this point, giving us this double top, right? So as you know, guys, like a double top is a reversal pattern to go obviously to the downside, right? So you just have to read this, guys, like take this information, right, and make use of it. So seeing this double top, I can say that price might actually just, give us those reversals and start a new trend moving to the downside, right? Moving all the way to the downside, just like that, guys. But then, guys, we don't predict the market. We just simply trade what we see, guys. And what I see is that price is moving within an uptrend, right? But then we do have a double top here with a bearish engulfing candlestick, of which you can see like the bearish momentum has actually kicked in, right? Having our double top to support this momentum towards the downside, right? But price hasn't yet broken below our trend line. So obviously, since it didn't break below our trend line, we're obviously gonna look for buying opportunities, right? If it respects the trend line. But then otherwise, guys, if it breaks the trend line, just simply gonna wait for a proper retest on the trend line. And then that's when maybe we'll actually catch our sell trades, right, to move all the way to the downside, guys. But then, guys, like I said, we don't predict the market. We just simply trade what we see, right? Don't trade what you think, guys. Like, don't be trapped into that. Anyways, let's jump on to the 4-hour time frame, guys. Remember, guys, each and every time frame, guys, has its own market structure, guys. It's quite important for you guys to know this. Each and every time frame has its own market structure, guys. Don't get it confused, right? Don't get it confused, guys. But then you can see that, okay, NAS100 is near the daily trend line. So obviously the 4-hour structure won't matter now because the current market price is close to our daily trend line, right? So obviously we're just gonna wait and see how it reacts, guys. If it obviously it respects this trend line and gives us some sort of reversals, guys, obviously can take those buyers to move all the way to the upside. Since, well, obviously it is an uptrend, why not, guys? one thing I want you guys to learn is that never go against the trend, guys. If the market is trending up, trend with it, right? Don't try to like look for sells in an uptrend. Like you can get those sells, but it depends where you get those sells. Imagine now the market reaches this trend line and you want to sell. Doesn't make sense, right? It only makes sense if it breaks and retests. But then otherwise, guys, yeah, this is obviously how I'm looking at Nasdaq, guys. So you should be able to like read the market like this, guys. You can see the bearish momentum has kicked in, guys. Like it's been kicked in. I'm sure there's a structure here on the 1 hour time frame. So you see, guys, multi-time frame analysis, guys. You just look at the market structure. Each and every time frame that you get into, you just try to identify your market structure, right? So you can see here another thing of which I can see on the 4 hour time frame, guys. This is why I say you should be cautious and vigilant when it comes to NAS100, guys. You should be like, yo, guys, you should keep a close eye, right? Another thing of which I'm looking at is that price, ever since it reached this level, right? This is the first time it reached this level. Price never came again to test this level, right? Instead, it failed to reach here and dropped. So meaning a new trend might be forming, guys. Hence, you can see we can take this as our highest point, and now this is a lower low and this is a lower high, and maybe we might expect price to break this lower low even with the trend line and create another lower high of which we can take those selling opportunities at. But then remember the daily time frame structure, guys. The daily time frame structure tells us that we are still in an uptrend. So mostly in cases like this, guys, I don't usually go in the 1 hour time frame for stuff like this, right? So usually when I find the setup on the daily time frame, I like to confirm the setup on that same time frame, right? But then guys, you can't like confirm trades on the daily time frame, like you're gonna wait, it's gonna take too long. And like for people like me who obviously I'm a day trader, I want to catch trade like on a daily basis, right? So obviously I have to use other time frames. So usually what I do when I find the setup on the daily time frame, I go to the 4 hour time frame just to confirm, right? So on the 4 hour time frame, obviously, I'm just gonna wait for reversal candlesticks. So obviously, I can take those buys if only it respects the trend line and gives us a reversal candlestick. That's when we're gonna look for those buys. Otherwise, guys, if price, and it can happen, right? If price breaks this trend line, gives us a nice retest on the trend line, or this support level of which will be a resistance, right? If it breaks and retests one of these levels, either the trend line or this level, but most preferably, guys, I prefer the trend line, right? If it respects retest the trend line, I'm obviously gonna look for those selling opportunities. You see, guys, it's quite simple, but then you have to be like vigilant. And one thing I've noticed with NES 100, guys, you also have to use like support and resistance and stuff like that, right? Because like price bounces when it comes to these indices, like it always bounces, right? And respects these support and resistance. Guys, I'm not quite fond. I don't like using support and resistance, but then sometimes, guys, you just have to like adapt, guys, and evolve with the market, right? So NES 100 obviously respects levels, right? You can see here it's been respecting, rejected, broke, retested, didn't quite touch the trend line, the level here, but then it shot up, came back again, retested as you can see here, and then tried to shoot down, but then the buyers were too strong, broke above, retested, and then shot up, and now it's currently breaking below. So obviously you can see like how price has been behaving, right? It's been breaking this trend line, retesting stuff. So obviously now what I can expect is for price to just push further down, maybe push to the trend line, and then retest this level. After retesting this level, maybe we might actually get that breakout and then retest. But then, guys, I don't like predicting the market. The reason right now for me to show you this is just for you to see, guys, like how I, look forward, like, and just expect things. But then, guys, we always trade what we see, not what we think, guys. So, yeah, guys, this is how you should trade NES 100, guys. This video, I only made this video to analyze and show you how to trade, like to properly trade NES 100, guys, because some people, they only use like levels. I don't know. It's called zone to zone or whatever. I don't know how it works, right? Like I have no idea, guys, not at all how it works. Not interested at all because like my strategy, guys, it works quite perfectly fine for me. on NAS100 too. So obviously, guys, just have to identify your market structure, guys. Remember, I've taught you in my previous videos what a market structure is. Just go look, like, guys, at my previous videos. Just go scroll through, guys. All my videos, guys, they teach you something, right? Because I have videos where I talk about candlesticks, market structure, momentum, how to use trend lines properly, stuff like that, guys. Like, basically, I talk about the strategy of which I'm using, guys. I wouldn't be talking about this strategy and put it out on YouTube if it wasn't working for me. The strategy obviously works perfectly fine for me, guys. And if you want to learn more about this strategy and stuff, guys, just click the link, guys, in the description to join my free group on Telegram, guys. And obviously you will be able to get access to my daily setups, guys, Zoom sessions, stuff like that. So you can be able to learn, guys. Like, the whole point of these videos and for you to watch these videos, for you to learn, right? To learn how to trade properly, guys. Like, it's just for you to learn how to use this strategy. This strategy is working for me. And like, I don't believe in selling courses and stuff like that. That's why I don't sell courses, like, guys. Literally teach trading for free, right? So obviously you can join up in my group, and we can chop it up. I'll teach you a few things in the Zoom lesson. I also talk about psychology. I actually need to drop more videos on psychology because I've noticed that I don't drop much videos on psychology, but then I will drop videos on psychology, guys. So yeah, guys, this is how you should be able to trade. Let me just jump onto the 1 hour time frame, guys. My network is pretty slow. I'm sorry about that, but then let me just try to jump onto the um 1 hour time frame, right? And see what's going on there. So on the 1 hour time frame, guys, looking at market structure, guys, you see this is our previous structure on the 1 hour time frame. You can see here price has been moving within an uptrend. Why? Because it's been giving us a series of high highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs. And now if we try to connect our trend lines, you will be able to see sorry about that. Let me just show you. You'll be able to see, guys. You see, clean. We had an uptrend here. Price gave us a breakout, guys. You can see breakout, and obviously attempted to retest, right, the trend line. But then you can see, guys, it didn't quite touch the trend line, right? Sometimes it happens, guys. You don't try to like force, like, don't try to like force touches on the trend line, adjusting your trend lines in a weird way. You also have a level here, you see. Hence, I've been saying, guys, NAS100 respects levels too. You see, instead of retesting on the trend line, it retested on this level, of which you can see here, price obviously gave us this higher low, right? So obviously it's valid for us to actually look for those for those selling opportunities right there, right? So on the 1 hour time frame, there's really not much. Like, I wouldn't say there is a confirmation for me to take trades and stuff like that, right? So let's check on the 30 minutes. The only time I go on the 30 minutes, guys, is only when I trade NAS100. Otherwise, guys, I never use like the 30-minute time frame. Like, I never, guys. I never go below the 1 hour, right? So it's only when I don't find like confirmations on the 1 hour. That's when I only go on the 1 hour. You see, even on the 30-minute time frame, guys, like, there isn't that confirmation, guys. Like, there's no confirmation, like that confirmation that I'm comfortable with, like comfortable trading, right? So obviously, just to adjust stuff here, let's jump onto the 15-minute, guys, and see what's going on the 15-minute. I will show you what type of confirmation I'm looking for. You see, guys, clean. That's what I'm saying, guys. NAS100, you should be cautious and vigilant and just try to, find quality setups, guys. Don't just trade like quantity, guys. Find quality, guys. Quality is the best. So you can see the confirmation of which I've been looking for at this level. We had an inside bar candlestick, guys. This is an inside bar candlestick. I remember in my Zoom session, we had a Zoom session yesterday with my students, and obviously I taught them about candlestick patterns, right? Otherwise, guys, there is a video too of which I dropped, I think last year or something like that. I was talking about candlesticks, right? So this is an inside bar candlestick, and you can see now momentum has already been gained, right? Entries would have been around here after it broke the low of this candlestick, the blue candlestick before the inside bar, right? So obviously that confirms our momentum, and would have caught entries somewhere around this level, with our stop loss being just there and our take profit being on our low, of which you can see, guys, take profit would have been hit. You see, guys, clean setups, guys. This is why I'm telling you should focus on quality setups, guys. Don't just try to trade just for the sake of trading. Like I've been through the same thing, like trying to like force setups and find setups and just things like that, guys. Just let the setup come to you, guys. Don't chase the setup. Wait for the setup to come to you. It'll always come, guys. As long as you apply the strategy right and proper, guys, the setup will come to you. Otherwise, guys, this is how you should trade NAS100, guys, using this strategy, guys. Pretty simple. I don't think I have to explain any further, guys. I think I've like put in all the resources you will need. All you have to do right now, guys, is just backtest. Keep on backtesting, guys. You see, guys, if you join my Telegram group, guys, you will find PDFs too, of which I send, so you can be able to learn this strategy properly, guys. I also got the PDFs from my mentor, and obviously, guys, I read the PDFs and I back tested, putting in the hard work, guys. And then eventually, guys, I saw results, right? I became profitable. Like it took time. I won't lie, guys. Like I won't lie, it took time. But then guys, they say save the best for last. Like best things, guys, they take time to form, right? So yeah, guys, this is how obviously I would have looked at Nasdaq today. You can see clean cells. So yeah, guys, if you enjoyed this video, found value, just tell me in the comment section, guys. Tell me what type of content you want me to create. Otherwise, guys, give me those thumbs up, guys. Please like the video, guys, if you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe to and turn on the post notification bell so you can be notified whenever I drop a new video, guys. Link of my free group will be in the description, guys. And yeah, let's just chop it up, guys. 2024, we're killing it. A lot of people are gonna get their breakthroughs and stuff. Take care of their families. The vibes, guys. Yeah, I will catch you on another video, guys, whenever I drop the next time. Don't forget to turn on the post notification bell, guys. Away.